Hello and welcome to World Travel Slideshow. In this clip we take you to Casco Viejo, the old quarter of Panama City, and to the world-famous Panama Canal. UNESCO World Heritage Site Casco Viejo dates back to 1673, but due to pirates and fires, most buildings that are being restored now are from the 18th and 19th centuries. Some of the Spanish colonial buildings are perfectly restored, others are in a more derelict state, and some are stripped, awaiting restoration. Walking around in the fascinating neighborhood, you see many original, beautiful details. These church ruins are also an amazing sight. This is the view from the old quarter to the modern skyline of Panama City. Now it's time to visit the iconic Panama Canal. On a small cruise ship, we experienced the bustling activity in and around the canal. Opened in 1914, the world-famous canal connects the Caribbean Sea with the Pacific Ocean. This is the Bridge of the Americas. It connects South America and North America. So right here, we're spot on in between two continents. An ingenious system of locks transports even giant cargo ships up the canal. It's fascinating to see them in action, locking the gates, filling them with water, lifting the ships and emptying the locks again. A half-day trip on the famous Panama Canal is a special experience. We highly recommend it. We hope you have enjoyed our presentation on Casco Viejo and the Panama Canal. Thanks for watching World Travel Slideshow. Please like, subscribe and share. For more presentations, please also visit our YouTube channels Asia Travel Slideshow and Thailand Travel Slideshow. Thank you.